Now example 3.2. The position of an object moving along x-axis is given by x equal to a plus bt square, where a that is equal to 8.5 meter, b that is equal to 2.5 meter second square, and t is measured in seconds. What is its velocity at t equal to 0 second and t equal to 2 second? What is the velocity between 2 second and 4 second? So see here, what is the velocity at t equal to 0 second and t equal to 2 second means in that question you have to find instantaneous velocity. And velocity between 2 and 4 between means you have to calculate average velocity in that particular question. So clear the question. Now see, here it is given to you x equal to a plus bt square, means the relationship between x and t is given to you. A and b are constants and values of these constants that is given to you. Okay. Now here see b that is 2.5 meter per second square, a that is 8.5 meter. Now instantaneous velocity that is dx by dt means that is the differentiation of x with respect to time t. So substitute the value of x, that is equal to d by dt of a plus bt square. Now see, actually when you have the constant independently without variable in multiplication with it, then in that case its differentiation that always comes to 0. And when your constant that is with variable, then keep it as it is, that we discussed previously. But now this new thing, for independent constant without variable with it, differentiation comes to 0. So how it comes to 0, let's discuss once it, and later on every time when this type of independent constant appears, we will substitute its differentiation, that is 0. See, this a you can write a into 1, simple thing. So now your equation that is v equal to d by dt a into 1 plus bt square. But 1 that you can write t raised to 0, because anything raised to 0 that is 1. So now your equation turns to d by dt of a into t raised to 0 plus bt square. Now suppose we apply differentiation rule. Now see, both the constants a and b are with variable. But see here your variable t that is with power 0. So if we apply the rule, take the power in multiplication. So when here 0 is in multiplication, this entire term will be cancelled or it becomes 0. So now we can conclude this: when independent constant is given to you and variable is not associated with it in multiplication or division, in that particular case, you can take its differentiation, that is 0. Now, for this second term, the differentiation that is b constant, keep it as it is, t square. So power in multiplication 2 into t raised to power is decreased by 1. So 2 minus 1. So v that is equal to 2bt. Now we have relationship between v and t. So when we have relationship between v and t, now at any instant, you can calculate the velocity. So first you want to calculate velocity at time t equal to 0 second. So velocity at time t equal to 0 second. So in this relationship, substitute t equal to 0 and your answer comes to 0 meter per second. Then after, for t equal to 2 second, velocity at time t equal to 2 seconds, substitute t equal to 2 second in this equation. So 2 into value of b, that is 2.5, and time t, that is 2 second, your answer comes to 10 meter per second. Then after, in second question, you want the velocity between 2 to 4 seconds. Now that is average velocity. So here take time t1, that is 2 second, t2, that is 4 second, and for these two instants calculate initial position and final position. So our equation x, that is a plus bt square, so you can write x1, that is a plus bt1 square. In this one, substitute t1, that is 2 second. So you will get x1 equal to a plus 4b. This is the initial position at time t equal to 2 seconds. Then write down another equation x2, that is a plus bt2 square. Substitute t2, that is 4. You will get final position at time t equal to 4 seconds. So x2 equal to a plus 16b. Now, average velocity, that is delta x by delta t, delta x, that is x2 minus x1 upon delta t, that is t2 minus t1. Now x2, that is a plus 16b, substitute here. x1, that is a plus 4b, substitute here. And time interval t2 minus t1, that is 4 minus 2. Now in numerator, if we simplify it, a will be cancelled. 16b plus 4b, sorry, 16b minus 4b, that will give you resultantly 12b. So now average velocity, that is 12b by 2, that is 6b. So substitute here value of b, that is given to you 2.5. So average velocity, that is 6 into 2.5. So that is 15 meter per second. Clear to all of you?